Sorry for the crappy lighting, y'all. We've got the Volvo here in the warehouse. This thing has been with the blower going. I don't know if you can see that. I've got the battery unhooked on the car, so there's no light. But that's a blower blowing the wet carpet that was flooded. This thing smells of mold. You can see the condensation building up on the window. See it? From me trying to dry out these carpets. I mean, it's awful. It stinks so bad. It smells like mold, like you would not believe. I tried sucking up some of the water. Sorry the lighting sucks, but anyway, got her in here. I'm trying to dry her out real good because I'm going to clean the interior real good. Just wanted to let y'all see what I've done to the engine so far. I've gotten the cam cover off. Can't tell much from here. When I hook the battery back up, I don't get power, so I have taken too much apart, and I don't know what I need to hook back up to get my power back going so I can do a compression test. I got way ahead of myself. I unhooked these computer plugs, so it might be just a matter of plugging those back in. I'm not sure. But timing belt, heck, it looks new, man. It doesn't have any cracking. No signs of cracking. The water pump, you can't see it because of the lighting, but it's nice and silver. So it actually looks like it's had the timing belt service done. There was no decal. Got a nice Bosch alternator that doesn't look too terribly old. But I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing, y'all. Several people commented I ought to part it out. I may do that because it's got great paint, headlights, grill, wheels, doors. I mean, it doesn't even have a door ding on it. It's pretty amazing how good the outside is. Just a shame that the damn thing blew up or locked up or whatever the hell happened. I don't know. I'm gonna try and figure it out though. But I've got to get it dry. Got to get it dry. It is so wet. See, when I picked the car up, that window was left down. So, I mean, it was just this side of the car, front and rear, totally flooded. I mean, that alone, I ought to be able to hold the auction house accountable for that, but nope, I'm totally screwed on this deal. Anyway, just a little update on that. Hope everybody's having a glorious Monday morning at work, breaking my metal and welding and all that good stuff. Y'all have a good day. Does anybody need any screws? Anybody need any screws? Yeah, I got, a couple of million. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace.